How to invite friends in Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Sausage Man and want to invite your friends to join your team, then first of all, open the Sausage Man app on your device and make sure that you're inside the lobby page after signing in. From the lobby screen, go to the bottom right and look for this Team Up button. Click on that and you'll be able to see this pop-up menu. You can go ahead and enter a player's nickname or ID in the search bar, or simply go ahead and find some of your friends from your friends tab that you want to invite to the game. You can also go ahead and scroll to the recent or friends tab and find the friend. I'm just going to go ahead and find this recommend tab, and then if you want to go ahead and invite someone to the game, just go ahead and find the contact or the player and tap on this little flag plus icon in order to invite them to the team. Once they accept your request, you will be able to play the game together. So that's how you invite a friend in Sausage Man, team up with your friends, communicate well, and enjoy exciting matches together. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.